name is Dr. Jamie Henson. I am 7 years old. This is my Angry Bird shirt. My mom's phone has 3 Angry Bird kinds on it. One is rock, and I cannot go on it, so I have 2 left. And the first Angry Bird I have the golden egg. I have more than 10 golden eggs on that Angry Bird. I like Angry Bird Space more because I like planets. So the first thing we gotta talk about the sun. The sun is very hot. Also in the eclipse, the moon got block the sun. And when you look at the telescope, the eclipse, when you look at the telescope, it's still bright. When the moon blocks the sun and it's the daytime, you think it gotta be nighttime? So if the moon blocks the sun, it's called solar eclipse. If the earth blocks the sun, it's called lunar eclipse. And the sun, west spot on it is the sun is the bird on the sun. The sun is a star, not a planet. And the sun has fire on it. That's why it should be not a planet. So it's a star. This is a star system. A star system on it. And the sun is in the middle of the solar system and the sun should be not the biggest star, because if it's the biggest star, the star cannot fit in the middle of the solar system. If it's a smaller star, it gotta be tiny, and Mercury will be just like, and this is the small star, and Mercury will be far away from that. And our Earth will get cold if a small star. If a big star, Earth will get hot. So we need to put the Earth in a safer place, or the sun. And the first thing that creates everything is a Big Bang. The next planet, the first planet from the sun is Mercury. Mercury is not a hardest planet because it don't have slick cloud. Venus have it, and the sun he can go through Venus. And Mercury spot is because something crashes. Meteor and asteroid crash it. And at nighttime is cold, and it takes 700 degrees and it turned into 300 degrees. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Venus has 6 clouds. You see that yellow stripe on it? It's a cloud. And Venus is a hot desert. But Mercury called a hot rock. Venus don't have any water on here. Dust, but Earth has it. The third planet from the sun is Earth. My pet shall move within Earth, and my pet shall move in this Antarctica on here. Say hi to Shamu. And our state we live over here. over here, right here. You see, we are very teeny tiny there. And the Earth is very huge, that's why I show you that. The moon, this is the Earth's moon. You see the moon for Earth is Earth moon. When we go to Earth, when we go to here, when we go to when we go to our country, to the moon, it takes us 2 days to go there. The fourth planet from the sun is Mars. Mars has the highest volcano. Also, is higher than three of the highest mountain ever. It takes 16 years to climb that high. Also, Mars don't have enough air to breathe for humans. Mars have a mountain, and Mars is wet. Aliens live on Mars. And the white thing on Mars is cold. Also, it's cold than Antarctica. Also, the top can be it. And this is not called Antarctica. It's just called snow on Mars. But on Earth, it's called Antarctica, and this is Arctica. Up there on the snowy thing is the North Pole. Santa lives in there. And it's called Arctica, and under there, penguins live in there. Real people come there because it's very, very cold than Mars snow. And a lot of penguins live in there. It's billion of penguins under the air. The fifth planet from the sun is the huge planet. Jupiter has a red gray spot, and the Jupiter red gray spot can fit on Earth. 2 Earths can fit in there, and more than 20 Earths can fit in Jupiter. And Jupiter white thing is the storm. Jupiter has the strongest storm. Also, it's stronger more than a hurricane on Earth, or more than a tornado on Earth that cut a house in half. The sixth planet from the sun is Saturn. Saturn is the second biggest planet. Saturn ring make our eyes, and Saturn have many of wing. It has 1,000 wing on it, and around is tiny, is straight like a stripe. Saturn ring is very thin, like that in paper, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune and Pluto make our gas. And Saturn is orange and yellow. The seventh planet from the sun is Uranus. Uranus has just 1 ring on it, but I don't have a ring on Uranus. But I guess it gotta be over here, I think. And the white thing on Uranus is the storm. It's half a dusty storm. Also, and Uranus we made out of dust, and it's very cold when you go to Uranus. Also, when you wear a jacket in your suit, you are still cold. Then Antarctica we're painting with. The 8th planet from the sun is Neptune. Neptune. Hey, you jump on Earth. Neptune is the beautiful blue planet. Neptune is cold, but it's not the coldest planet. Uranus is. Neptune is the third coldest planet, more than Saturn ring. Saturn ring made out of ice. Neptune spot this, and Titan got soon. Titan is the biggest moon, and Titan you crash spin and going closer to Neptune, and starting to crash Neptune. And Uranus we made out of dust, and Saturn we made out of ice. The last planet, the 9th planet from the sun, is the last planet. Pluto. When you go to Pluto, you get very cold, and it's the 2nd coldest planet. And when you go to Pluto, you see ice on Pluto. Also, you cannot see the sun because you know why if the farthest planet from the sun is cold, because the sun is hot. So Pluto is cold. We have count all the planets in our solar system. And Venus is the hottest planet, and Venus is the hottest planet, and Uranus is the coldest planet. You know what is the warmest planet? Mars, the warmest planet. And Earth has to be the 3rd planet because it has to be more warm than that. Like you stay warm and cold, you feel like nervous, I think. And you know what? You need something you need astronaut suit you need astronaut suit to don't be cold. That's why we need astronaut suit. Here is my toy. This is my space toy. Look what it can do. This is. Now it's done getting gas. Now it's fluid. Go to the moon. Yeah. So we have counted all the planets. You know where is 9? You know how many planets it is in our solar system? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to know it.